So I don't know if I did a video with the name of their names, but this is Daisy, this is Delight, and this is Diesel. I think Daisy might be a fetcher, I just discovered. Are you serious? Now that I get the video out, you don't go get it. Where's another toy? Is there another one over here? Darn it. We need more toys. He's the longest, lankiest cat I've ever seen. He's so precious. Oh, precious. So I put their food up here because stupid ants are getting in their food. So I'm moving it around. Just there for this meal. Go in that tub and get it. There's a hair up my nose. They're shedding already because they're big. Look. Look at this. Where'd it go? Go get it. Gosh. Silly cat. Oh, she's so loving. I love her so much. She lets me kiss her on the head. And it's just like my dream cat. You're my dream kitty. I can't keep anymore. No? I'm trying to get her tail. You guys are just all full of purrs. I love you. I can't film you on me. That's so hard. But we'll come back another time.